I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove, replace, and upgrade your intake air filters in G63 AMG. It is the exact same for 2013 up to 2018. We're going to go ahead and start off by removing these panels. They are just held in by clips, so just carefully push up or towards you depending on where you're at. So now we're going to go ahead and identify 4 7mm or flatheads, whichever you want to use, 2 on each side. We're going to go ahead and remove those. Don't forget to push that blue plastic out of our airbox. Once we remove those, we're gonna just go ahead and pull the box a little bit upward. It's just held down by some plastics, as well as create a little bit of wiggle room. So for the connector, you wanna go ahead and pull out a white clip and then just simply push out the connector. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip our airbox over and identify these 4 T screws. We're going to go ahead and remove those T screws to be able to remove our filter. As you can see here, we create separation, and this has your standard paper style filter. We remove that. We're going to go ahead and do the same on the other side, following the same exact steps. Keep in mind to save that white part of the clip in every connector. We're going to be using that later on. Now we're going to go ahead and install our new K&N high performance cold air intake filter. Simply just by pushing in and installing our 4 T screws. We're gonna go ahead and follow the exact same process on the other one as well. Once they're ready, like they are here, we are ready to reinstall. Go ahead and lay both your air boxes down, and we're gonna go ahead and connect that duct to our hose lines and make sure they are correctly fitted. It might take you a couple tries for it to lay flat perfectly, and don't forget about those clamps as well to get that perfect fitment and alignment. You won't be pushing too far because it has to stop on the duct. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our blue connector and connect it to our airbox, laying that connector flat down, and then we're gonna go ahead and come around, doing the exact same on the other side. Laying our box flat down, aligning our hoses and our hose clamps. We're gonna go ahead and tighten those down. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect our connector to our airbox sensor, keeping in mind that we do have to fasten it with that white plastic that goes on the sensor. We're gonna go ahead and do that on the other side as well. Sensor first, white plastic second, making sure it stays fastened. Now we're ready to go ahead and start putting all our plastic covers back together. Remember, you just have to push these in, making sure all the clips are fastened. Pushing down.